Hello all, I am Abhay from Vijayawada. I study electrical engineering at IIT Tirupati. Today we are going to discuss about the website integration which I learned from the CCBP 4.0 program. This is my progress with CCBP 4.0 in the 4th week. The starting is just basic HTML syntax, and then as you can see we have added the Bootstrap 4.5.2 version. Now coming to the body. So before starting we need to learn about the attribute ID. So any container element can be uniquely identified by this attribute ID, and here we need to also know about the CCBP toolkit, CCBP UI toolkit. In order to use it, we need to add this script before the end tag of body. As you can see, we need to add this script before the end tag of body. Now coming to the website integration. So the main rules for using the CCBP UI toolkit is the first word of ID should be section, and the remaining we can name it as anything. So I have named this as section. This is the home page. This is the home page, so I have named it as section home. Then coming to the favorite places section. This is the favorite places section. I have named it as section favorite places. The class name is section favorite places. Now then coming to the Taj Mahal detailed view, the name is section, the attribute name is ID, and the attribute value is section Taj Mahal detailed view, or you can say the class name is section Taj Mahal detailed view. Similarly for Golden Temple also, the class name is section Golden Temple detailed view, and similarly for Mysore Palace it is section Mysore Palace detailed view, and for Varanasi also it is section Varanasi. That's it. Now in order to integrate we need to see, as you can see here, I just changed the container container element names to section home, section favorite place, section Taj Mahal detailed view, section Golden Temple detailed view, and Mysore Palace detailed view, and section Varanasi. Now as you can see, when I'm clicking the get started button, it is moving to the next page. Now in order for this action to happen, we also need to learn about the on click attribute. As you can see here, this on click attribute will tell us uh, what action should happen after we click the get started button. Here I have added this on click attribute to the button element. So when I'm clicking the button element, it tells us what action should happen. Here the action is we will be displaying section favorite places. As you can see, when I press get started button, it is displaying the section favorite places ID. That is this thing, Taj Mahal, Golden Temple, Mysore Palace, Varanasi Temple, favorite places card. Now again when I let me close these things. Okay, now when I click on Taj Mahal card, it is showing the detailed view of Taj Mahal. Now let us go to the section favorite places. Here I have added on click attribute to the favorite places card container. As I click on this Taj Mahal container, I am going to the Taj Mahal detailed view section. Similarly, Similarly, now when we click on section Golden Temple detailed view card, we'll be going to the detailed view section of Golden View Temple, and then Mysore Palace. If you click on the Mysore Palace card, we'll go to the web page of detailed view of Mysore Palace. Now, similarly, Varanasi Temple also. Now then, coming to the back button, as you can see here, when I press back, we are coming to the favorite places. So here we need to add the back button in the detailed view page of Varanasi Temple. In this example, in this section I am showing you. Let's jump to the Varanasi container element. As you can see here, I've added the button class. I've added the button element, and you can see here the on-click attribute to the Varanasi detailed view section. This, when I press this back, as you can see, the content is back for the button element. Now when I click on the back button, it should display the section favorite places. So here the code is, when I click on the back button of the detailed view section of Varanasi temple, it should jump to the favorite places section. You can see it is happening like that only. Similarly, it is we can check for Mysore Palace also. When I click on the back button on the detailed view of Mysore Palace, it should jump to the favorite places section. Now coming to the back button in the favorite places section. In the favorite places section also I've added a back button. It takes us to the home section. As you can see here, you can see I've added the on class attribute to the button element, and it is telling us when we click on this back button, it should display the section home. As you can see, when I click on the back button, it is displaying the section home. Today I have learned in this fourth week, I have learned this website integration using the section ID, using the attribute ID and a button on click attribute, which we can add to any container element or any HTML element. We can add these on click and ID to any HTML element. Thank you. Uh, Please comment any suggestions. Suggestions are always welcome. Please comment them. Thank you.